Morning, friends. We are going to do my morning ritual. I haven't put my jade roller on my face yet. I've already washed my face and dried it. Now we're going to open up those pores with as hot as you can get it, washcloth. We're going to leave it damp. And I am now going to put on my oils. So I use multiple oils on my face. The first one that I'm going to put on is my broken capillaries. I have some broken capillaries under my skin, and I've been using this oil to help them. So we're going to just put that roller ball on. Gonna pat that in. I have a little puffiness under my eyes, so we're going to help that. And this has sea buckthorn berry, which is the amber color. It does not stain. We're going to gently put that and pat that into the eye, and it'll soak in. This is also a natural sunscreen, has SPF 30 in it, and it can be used as a natural foundation because it actually blends in and gives you a darker color. The next thing that we're going to put on is I have a collagen booster that I've put together with some carrier oils and some essential oils. We're just going to put this everywhere, especially in those wrinkle areas. You can actually use collagen anywhere. And I'm thinking about just adding this to my Monroe effect so I can get good coverage on it instead of just here and there. And you could do this too. Add these essential oils to your own health care, skincare. I'll just rub that in everywhere. Now I have combined my Monroe effect with my skin tightening serum, and I have it in a 10 milliliter bottle. So we're just gonna put the Monroe effect area oil everywhere on all the areas. And this Monroe effect also has castor oil in it and emu oil. So it is penetrating everything, all the dermis, getting down to the epidermis with all of those great natural herbs that are contained in the Monroe effect. All right, so now we're going to put another hot rag on my face. I've made a toner. The base of this is a hibiscus and rose tea. We added glycerin, and I added my skin tightening essential oils to this. We're just going to let this dry. This is the final effect. You can see the skin tightening really helped. I don't have the puffiness. This side here, I do still retain some puffiness under the eye. So that's going to be a work in progress there to find out why that's happening. Did screenshots from the beginning here of this video, and you can see the wrinkles. This is after I had applied the skin tightening, the collagen, the puffy eye, and you can definitely see the difference after about 15-20 minutes. this is the finished effect. I put some eyeliner on. I have no makeup on. Friends, the essential oils help. The Monroe effect definitely helps. It is made with natural herbs that have been infused into multiple oils, including castor and emu oil, that penetrate the skin, taking those wonderful herbs like dried grape skin, dried grape seed, along with burdock and so many great herbs to penetrate the skin. The essential oils are an added bonus to help with puffy eye, wrinkles, collagen boosting. I do have the puffiness still under this eye, work in progress, but go to timetoheal.net. I have a link in my bio. You can go directly to the site to purchase the Monroe effect, and I have a link in my bio to obtain those clinical pharmaceutical essential oils. Stay healthy, friends.